What's up guys, Andy here, and today I'm going to show you how to cash out $10K on Cash App. Cash App is a full service banking and investing app. Once you sign up and provide all of your information, just like any investing or finance app, you'll be able to unlock all of these features. They have a peer-to-peer payment screen. They have a banking screen. You could technically use Cash App as a bank if you don't want to use a traditional bank like Chase or Fifth Third or whatever. You can also invest in Bitcoin and stocks. And then here's some of the additional features: direct deposits, bank transfers, recurring deposits, things like that. You can get a free card that will allow you to spend your balance. So you can see I have a $10,247 cash balance. So I could get the card and spend that, and along with that you can get boosts and get discounts at a bunch of different places. I have videos on my channel to show you how to use everything within this app, so be sure to check out those and subscribe if you're interested. So before you can cash out money on Cash App, you obviously need money in your balance. So there's a few ways you can do this. You can have people send you money using the peer-to-peer payment screen. In the top right corner, you can tap that and get your username. You can see mine is 100 Charizards. So once people have that, they can send you money. This could be for goods or services. Make sure what you're doing is legal. Check the documentation within the app to find that out, of course. You could also take advantage of the invitation bonus. You can see right here I have $870 pending for inviting 58 people, and I'm getting $15 per sign up, so that money will go straight into my balance as well. So a few different ways you can earn money on here or get it within your balance. And then once we have money in our balance, it's pretty simple to cash out. I'm going to tap the cash out button. You can select the amount that you want, tap on the numbers and type whatever amount that you want. I'm just going to close that out, tap cash out again, and use this. We're just going to do 10K. So cash out, it's going to give us two options. We can get standard by Tuesday or instant for a $75 fee. It's kind of whack. I don't want to pay a fee, so I'm just going to do the standard method, obviously. So tap standard. It's going to do the Face ID. And just like that, $10,000 will be available in your bank account Tuesday. Tap done. You can see my cash balance went down $10,000. We can go to our history in the bottom right corner and see this cash out right here. $10,000. Today, 10:41 a.m. Ignore that it says 9:41 a.m. On my phone at the top of the screen, it always says that when I'm recording videos through QuickTime. That'll do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.